What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in, and this is gonna be a quickie video. This is what I just found in the store today. I found this one right here, very special one. And I didn't find it. Someone kind of gave me a heads up that they saw it somewhere in one of these stores, and I went to go pick it up, see if they still had it. And they had it. So thank you very much, friend, for the heads up. And we got these three mini cars, mini racers, and let's open them up. I think for sure this one's Mater, right? But I think these are the Hudson Hornets. So there's no mystery there. There's no mystery there. And just quickly open this up. See, there's the closer, and we got a Hornet. Yes. How I could tell was with the hood ornament, with the touch and the feel. Very cool. So let's open up for sure what is Mater. Sorry about the shakiness. Like I said, this is a quick video, no edits, no nothing. Just there we go. Mater. Got this one for Noah. My dad has small mini cars, and not from these, but like from what's it, Micro Machines, I think. The classic one. Okay, see what comes out. Another Hudson Hornet. Knew it. I knew it. Yeah, that's what I kind of wanted. This was the one that I was more or less looking for, either that one or the police one. Pretty cool minis. I never thought to get these, but caught my attention. Later on, I'm gonna open this bad boy, Buzz Lightyear. Very cool. Peace. Thank you for watching.